Good morning, children. Today we shall have lesson 3. Don't be a Mikhail. Already we have seen this poem, done meaning, then explanations. Now we shall have the exercise over these lessons. So first I have done only answers, not written questions. So please you all do in your notebook. First you write question, then the answer. But in the book you write direct the space given in the book. Okay. So first one is just check. Answer the following questions. He made the excuse of like feeling bad, a bit queasy, and running off nose to his dad to avoid going to school. Question number 2. Answer is no, he was not suffering from any disease. Question number 3. He advised about Michael O'Toole to have a complete rest. Number 4. He could not learn to read and write as he never went to school. Now you see language and grammar. The following rhyming words picked from the second and fourth lines of each stanza of the poem. How many can you add to them? These rhyming words, for example, play, day, it should be sounding like same way is given say. Queasy, easy. Now answer is funny, runny. Now school, tule. Well, still, till, spell. Wrong, strong. Here is rhyming word similar to these two, along. Right, bright. Now similar to this word like quite. Do, you. Same sounding word is now, how, to. Come on, let's go to the B. Here is a word challenger for you. Can you form a word or two from each of the following words? Here words are given. Now you have to find out the words which are hidden in these words. Here it is given hatted. We can find out from this hatted word two words. One is hat, that is nafrat karna. One is ate. Ate means eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Next, complain. Here we will find only one word from this word, that is plain. Plain, you know, Maidani Bhag. Now no. From this word we can find out another word, that is now. Queasy. And from here we can find easy. Learned. Here we will find out another word from these words, that is ear. Then happened. Another new word we will see from this, that is pen. P-E-N, pen. Winced. Here another word from this we can make, that is win. Then bright. Here we can find out another word like right. Then said, and from this said we can find another word like aid. A-I-D, aid. Okay children, so thus we are finishing our exercises of lesson 3. Don't be a Michael or Mikhail. Please do write in your notebook and also fill your books, okay, and try to learn the poems, meanings and exercise as well. Thank you very much.